In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of being blocked by Cloudflare Site Protection. If you've ever encountered that frustrating screen telling you that access has been denied, you're not alone, and there are a few easy steps you can try to regain access. Let's dive right in. Firstly, let's start with refreshing the page. It might sound simple, but sometimes the block can be a temporary glitch within the system. To do this, you will want to press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard if you're on a Windows machine. For Mac users, hold the Command key and then press R. This is what we call a hard refresh, and it helps by ensuring that your browser loads the most recent version of the web page. After trying this, attempt to access the site again to see if this resolves the problem. If refreshing didn't do the trick, the next step is to clear out some space in your browser's memory. Start by opening your browser settings, then look for options related to browsing data. What you want to focus on here are your cookies and cached files. Cookies are small pieces of data, like saved login information, that help websites remember who you are. Cached files, on the other hand, are bits of website data stored on your computer to speed up future visits. Over time, these can become corrupted, or perhaps they just don't match up with recent site updates, causing access to some sites to be blocked. Once you've cleared them, restart your browser and check if that solves the access issue. Now, if clearing your browser history didn't work, there might be restrictions related to your network or IP address. In that case, trying a different network can make all the difference. Start by switching to mobile data, assuming you're on a mobile device. Otherwise, consider connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. If you have the ability to use another ISP connection, go ahead and do so. Sometimes your current IP address may be blocked by the website's security service for various reasons, such as a perceived threat. Connecting through a different network often assigns you a new IP address, which may not be blocked. To wrap up, those are the steps you can take to try and resolve being blocked by Cloudflare Site Protection. We've talked about doing a hard refresh, clearing cookies and cached files, and trying out different networks. Hopefully, one of these solutions works for you, and you're able to access the content you're looking for without any more hassles. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. If you have any questions or need more assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Good luck.